Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this weightlifting pulley system combination kit, basically. Comes with a barbell latch right here, a whole bunch of high-quality metal carabiners, bunch of different straps that are well made, pulleys. This is great. Whoops. These are great for using for pull downs for your tricep like this on a cable system. You got a cable rope, great for curls and for triceps. Really nice quality. And a curling bar, really nice. High density neoprene right here, or rubber. Comes with some other chains, pulleys, accessories as well. You also got individual handles. These are really good for individual tricep press downs. Some other exercises, crossovers, really heavy duty ergonomic rubber right here. I really like the grip diameter on these better than most. Nice D ring there that's made of metal. All this was sent to me for review. It's fantastic quality.